What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. This is the sickest Accord you guys actually wanted me to make a video on separately, and as you can see, the fog lights right there, aftermarket ones, they actually turn to yellow or like orange when you give signal, and then white when the headlights are on. So right now, daytime is usually like blue, pretty dope. And you got the chrome delete in the front, and the 4-piece gloss black front lip. And then he's got folding mirrors over here actually, and then right now he put the covers on there like that, but he's got folding mirrors. They fold, and he does have the LEDs right there, turn signals. And yes, Ash is gonna go and get freaking gas. He'll be back. That's his wheel setup on the side. You got the visors. Wheels right here, stock height, I believe, still, yeah, looks like a stock height. Caliper covers right there. The wheels are awesome. If you guys seen what brand it is, Santi, I believe, right there, black label. And moving back, and I believe, yeah, I'm trying to see how far it sticks out actually. Look at that from the side angle. Moving a bit. That's how it sticks out. For the back, he's got V1s, reflectors, got the duck-built spoiler that you guys wanted to see more view of it. You got the Saga quad tips, T10 diffuser. And then the rear side skirts in the back as well. Same setup on this side. And now for the interior, it's all blacked out actually. I really love it. Look at that. This thing is dope. Look at this. He's got the lighting here at the bottom. I'll put the link in the description below for the lights. Even got this one right here, lights up, carbon fiber interior. He just did the steering wheel himself actually. It's pretty awesome. I just love the grip on these, like they're just thick and sturdy. Like you just, I don't know, aftermarket stuff is always better than OEM most of the time. So he's got the carbon fiber covers here. And yep, he's chilling. He's playing I think YouTube or Netflix. It's a sound, what's it called? Music. So we put the sound down because of the copyright and stuff like that. So he's running a module on that, and yep. So it's the back. Make sure you follow him or DM him on his Instagram. Ask him questions if you have any. But yeah, he's chilling. Check out the backside again. It's not lowered, right? Or anything? Stock height? Yeah. So just to confirm with you guys, it's all stock height. Alright guys, that's it. Make sure you follow him and DM him if you got any questions. So that's all I got on this Accord right now. So peace out. Until next time.